I have an unboxing here for this really fun light. It's called Bring a Romantic Starry Night. Okay, so it has a whole bunch of different things. Let's look. There's a night light, a mood light, ocean wave projector, home theater accent, starlit dinner, party light, gamer decor, and more. So it comes with a remote. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm probably going to use this as a night light. I kind of like a little night at nighttime. But yeah, really cool if you have a party or if you want to have a little sleepover. Your kids want to have a little sleepover or something like that. And tell ghost stories. Past Halloween, but you know. It's always fun for ghost stories. So here we go. We have it in here. And you can see the light would project off here. Comes with a cable cord. And of course the remotes for the different settings. Which also has it all in the back. Oh, it looks like... Can you play music off of this? It has play, backwards, forward, sound mode, auto mode. Huh. Very neat. Very neat stuff. Also comes with an instruction manual as well. But yeah, just a really cool thing that you can use to kind of spice up a night or have some fun at a party. So I have my light machine right here. I just put it up on my desk so we could test it out. Came with the remote right here, so I'm just gonna press it on. And you can see all the pretty lights. And we're gonna shut the lights off. Whoa, that's all up on my ceiling right now. And it's changing colors. Very cool. So pretty. I'm gonna see if I can change it. Oh, there it goes. And you can take your remote. Ooh. Wow. Very fun. If you want to have a party, if you want to light it up. It looks really romantic if you want to have a romantic night, but you need a little bit of light. Or if you're like me and just want to have a little night light. Oh, wow. Look at those pretty colors. Very cool.